Greetings and welcome to the Rethink Your Drink Nevada recipe series. Today we will be making citrus refresher. For this recipe, you will need a cutting board, a knife, a lemon, a lime, half an orange or grapefruit, 4 to 5 mint leaves, a big spoon, and a clean pitcher. Before you start, make sure to wash your hands using soap and water. Wash the citrus and mint leaves under cool running water. Tear the mint leaves in half. Using the knife and cutting board, cut the citrus in half and then into half-moon slices. Make sure you remove any seeds. Add the fruit and mint to the pitcher. Fill the pitcher with 6 cups of cool tap water. Use your spoon to stir gently. Cover the pitcher and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. You want to give it enough time to get nice and cold, and for the flavors to blend. Once cold, take the pitcher out of the fridge. For safety reasons, remove the fruit and mint leaves. Pour your beverage into glasses, and enjoy! For a copy of this recipe and more ideas, visit rethinkyourdrinknevada.com.